Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to download Rocket League on your Nintendo Switch. So what I want you to do is open up the eShop and then select your account. If you do not have a Nintendo account, you will need to create one in order to follow this tutorial. Once the eShop is opened, just tap on search, and then search up for Rocket League. And you can see the autofill should select that for you. So just tap on that, search, and then you should see Rocket League is available. So we'll just tap on Rocket League. And we'll just give it a bit, and we see free download. Let's just tap on free download, and then you'll be brought to the checkout screen. What I want you to do is just tap on free download, and you can see thank you Rocket League, and Rocket League has been successfully purchased. Now keep in mind, Rocket League is completely free to get, which means that you want to download it, you don't need any card information, all that good stuff. Now let's check the home screen, and we should see Rocket League will start downloading. Now for me, I don't have enough storage to download Rocket League. If you're in the same situation as me, there will be a tutorial on the end screen right now, which will teach you how to free up storage on the Nintendo Switch. It's inside of a tips and tricks playlist. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe for brand new. If you have enough storage to get Rocket League, I recommend you check out the tips and tricks playlist on the end screen right now. It will give you a bunch of tips and tricks on the Nintendo Switch, which you may not know. With that being said, see you guys later. Bye bye.